Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's AXS video update for Sunday 24th of July, and we've seen AXS making some amazing moves to the upside. So I'm going to show you its brethren SOP and talk about SOP. You can watch it on the channel as well, but what I'm going to do is SOP is looking quite amazing. Okay, so you had resistance number one, resistance number two, you broke to the upside, you're holding the retest, and you're looking for SOP to basically come to 535 level. So what does that mean for AXS? We've seen AXS making amazing price actions and whatever you want to say. So I'm going to actually open up AXS once again, and let's talk about the AXS. Let me remove all the drawings at the moment and let's try to figure out what the hell is going on. So at the moment, guys, AXS probably is breaking out, but it's still failing the retest. That's the issue. What I want to see for AXS is a very clear breakout of this particular resistance, because you have resistance number one and you failed the retest and you actually went to the downside. Resistance number two, are you going to pass the retest? Because as far as I see things, you're really failing. What you want to see for AXS is the same thing as SOP right now, that you have a clear breakout, and when you make the clear breakout, you hold the retest like a boss. You close above the line and then you start to move higher, which you're not doing. That's the problem, which you're not doing. Can it do it? It definitely can, and that's the favorable scenario. So let's actually dive into the 4-hour time frame and let's talk about this one. Okay, there are chances of AXS coming up to this line above 17.65, and you hold 17.65 like a boss, and then you're going to look to pump for a technical target, basically going from there to there, and we're looking for AXS to actually come up here to this level, $25.84, and that's going to be a pump of nearly from there to there. You're looking for a 43% pump to the upside if and only if you break this level and hold that level, which you haven't really done it just yet. Okay, and if this video gets 50 likes, I'm gonna do another regular update for AXS as well. So your response is gonna tell me what to do. And that's it for today's update on AXS. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.